Hey, sorry, Locksmith there. Okay, so we've got our Xhorse Key Tool Max here. I'm gonna show you a nice little trick that works. So let me go back here, hit vehicle remote. Customer states that they just bought the vehicle, they want to know about putting a remote to it. Not a problem. What I have found that works nice for me is with all these auctions going on, I'm getting a lot of customers that are buying vehicles and they're wanting the remote. We know the Colorado has one. I'm not gonna go there. Matter of fact, I'll do this vehicle here. I've already done it once before and checked it. They got a Dodge Ram 97. Use whatever resources you want to use to find out what remote it has that will work on that vehicle. Click on the remote. You want to generate emulator, and right now it's going to connect to the internet. And also you can do this for when you're programming a remote. I like to do this before I waste time of programming a remote and telling them no. But a lot of your newer vehicles do have it, and this is just a nice little trick you'll come across. And I will say you might want to watch is had issues where those buy here pay here places will tap into the OBD2 wiring harness. When you drop that kick panel down, you'll see all kind of wiring in there depending on your skill set. If you want to attempt to remove it, if it's been bought at an auction, you might want to check your local law. I had the issue of messing with a vehicle that had a breathalyzer in it. The vehicle went to auction, they sold it, did not realize that there was GPS on it, and the law enforcement was attached to that vehicle. And just say I had a nice little friendly chat with them. Vehicle sitting there, I've got everything unplugged, I'm sitting there trying to do all key loss situation, had to bypass a lot of things and wire the factory harness back up. They didn't like that. The owner had to explain to him that he bought it at an auction, so he doesn't even want the gear and he's not required to have it. And that just became a whole different suit there. But as you can see, right now we're waiting for it to generate. Depending on the internet connection, right now we're just running off the phone, since that's what a lot of us are going to be doing out there on the job. One of the vans we do have here does have Wi-Fi to the truck itself, which that's all it's set up for. It has that through our service provider, and I'm not close enough to it. I'm sitting there on the bench wanting to give you guys a little quick class. Sorry it's taking so long, but hopefully it should be done here shortly. But like I said, this is something that will help you out. I know time is money for us. We want to get the job done, go on to the next one, but when you do show the customer you care, taking that little extra effort, and you're letting them know, hey, I'm not wasting a remote and having to charge you for it. I like just doing this. One, it helps me where I don't burn the remote up, have to de-virginize it. I always like to check the remote before, on an all key loss situation, before I go and do a remote. But with that, when you're programming on the vehicle, it's actually going to send a signal to it. And just to prove that it's sending a signal out, we'll take this right here, and as you can tell, it's sending out the signal. So nice little tool. For the bang for the buck though, you're going to get a lot out of this. But hey, thanks again for watching Sergeant Locksmith. Let's go ahead and be safe out there. And if you got any questions, go ahead and send us an email, drop a comment if we're helping you out. And you can send the email on any certain things that you want to ask questions on. We'll try getting a video done on it. I'll reach back to you. Thanks again for watching.